Hi, I'm Ayesa of UnDiplomaticWife.com. I'm also the founder of Declutter Manila and Minimalox.com, where I show people how to declutter their lives so they can have a minimal but luxurious lifestyle. So, in my last video, I showed how to organize my son's Lego. I finally found containers that I could use to organize the smaller pieces of his Lego collection. So I first sorted them by color and I counted that there are 46 different shades. And these containers used to contain my accessory making supplies, so I decluttered those and I didn't have to buy new kits. So I have three of them. Each one has 36 small slots, and it's important that it locks so that it doesn't get dropped and everything just mixes all together again. So this is 36 times 3 of them, 32, I'm sorry, times 3 of them, so that's 96 in total. So let's begin. So I've sorted them by color, and according to the Marie Kondo method, we should organize things from dark to light, from left to right, because it's more relaxing to the eyes. So that's how I've organized it, from the black to grays and going to the lighter shades. So that's how I'm going to organize them here in my container.